Good evening. Welcome to another session on time, speed, and distance. So, in this session, we are mainly focusing on how to solve the time, speed, distance related problem within 1 minute or less than 1 minute. That and all we are going to see in this session. This session is mainly focusing on that only. So, we have been discussed these things, right? Time, speed, distance. We have three cases when speed is equals to distance by time. When time is constant, what is the relation? When speed is constant, what is the relation? Distance is directly proportional to time. What is the when distance is equals to what is the speed is inversely proportional to time? So these and all we have been discussed, right? So now in today's session we are going to discuss about a small problem related to that, and I will tell in two methods which we can solve. Okay, first I will tell how to solve less than 1 minute, and then long procedure and short procedure. Long procedure is we doesn't required, but we required less than because the competitive exam we required less time to complete any problems. That's why I'm going to tell this question how to solve any time speed distance problem less than 1 minute or within 30 seconds. Let's start our session. Okay, now we have this problem. A can do a bit of work in 8 days, which B alone can do it in 10 days. It means their rate of efficiency giving what in how many days they will complete work. If suppose they have been assigned to work certain X, so that can be completed by A in 8 days, but B can do in 10 days. But how long both cooperating can do? It means that if both are together working means in how many days the work is going to be completed. This is the question. So now we'll go to our whiteboard. So let's I copy this question. I'll paste over here itself. Okay. From this we need to find what exactly our correct, right? So let's what is the years given is 8 days, and similarly for B is equals to 10 days, right? It means A can complete a work in 10 days, B can work in 10 days, A can work in 8 days. So what as of now very familiar with formula efficiency E is equals to total work by total time taken. But we don't know total time. In this case, what we will do, we will find the LCM of 8 and 10. That will be the our total work. That will be the our total work. So if you find the LCM of 8 and 10, you will get the total work as. So total work is, we'll get our total work is 40. So in this case, now we'll find what is the work done by what is the efficiency, how much work A can do in 1 day. It means total work which is divided by 8 days. Correct, right? So A can do 5 units per day. So total work if you assign 40 units, then total work done by A is 5 units per day. Similarly, if you find a B efficiency, 40 units divided by 10 days, which is equals to 4 units per day. So B can do 4 units per day work. So what if both both are together working? What is the work done by both in 1 day? That is 4 plus 5 equals to 9 units per day. So both can do 9 units per day. So what they were asking, in how long it will take. So total time, which is equals to total work divided by their efficiency. Total work is 40. Total work done by 40 units. Correct, right? 40 units divided by what is the efficiency of both of them? 9 units per day. So units is going to be cancelled out and we are left with 40 divided by 9. This is the final solution. In how long they will complete this work is 40 by 9. So 40 by 9 days, they, if the both are cooperating, then they can do the work within short period of time. So because of explanation, you are getting so much long this video. But once if you are calculating LCM and finding the efficiency and both are efficiency combining, then it is completed within less than 30 seconds itself. So I hope this question is very clear to you. If you have any queries, please mention in the comment box. And if you want to do more problems related to this one, please mention in comment box. We will surely do for you. So I hope this everything is clear. And thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed till now our channel, please subscribe our channel and do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.